Guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Guys, before we get started on this short unboxing, if you get a chance, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon next to it. It would really help me out. What we have here is a package from Original Goat. This is from a couple of knives I sent off to let them make some scales out of. These are my Hogue Deka V1s, and I was talking to Marty and said, hey man, I'm happy to send these out to you guys. If you want to offer Generation 1 Deka scales, the unboxing knife is the ProTech Malibu, my afternoon carry. So let's see what we got back. Dude, I was not expecting that. So, as I told you guys, I sent off to Marty, an Original Goat, 2 Hogue Dekas, a Wharncliffe and a Drop Point, for them to come up with some titanium scales. Look at my Wharncliffe, guys. It feels like $1,000,000. It has got splatter on it. It looks absolutely sick. And check out the Drop Point with the mill Tide scales. I am blown away. I just want to say thank you, Original Goat. I'm so glad that they came in handy and you were able to use them as templates. I wasn't expecting a couple of sets of scales, but I appreciate you more than you know. My knives are your knives. Just let me know how I can help. Guys, I want to thank all the channel members. I want to thank everybody who takes time to come by and watch my videos. I know this was a short unboxing, but these guys have been out of my collection for a while. They need to have some thorough reviews done on them. And now that they're more in tune with my bug out, it'll be really interesting to see what kind of mileage these get now in my pocket. I can already tell you it's going to be a lot more. But guys, Original Goat scales, I will put them in the description. I spent a lot of time in their booth out at Atlanta, and what they're doing with black light luminescent colors, what they're doing with Doug Ritter RSK knife scales, what they're doing with Mannix scales, what they're doing with Hogue, not just the Gen 2, but being able to offer it to smutses like me who have G1s. I just think it's awesome. They are my go-to scale company. Guys, thank you again if you've hit the subscribe, or even if not, I love you all. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.